There's a memory card.
Good.
How's there a memory card in there? Take it out.
Did you
Mom.
Dad,
get a little
toes I did today.
paint on your hair?
It's hard to do ceilings and not get it on your hair.
Mom, don't worry.
Not really.
You just
I guess your hair's naturally gray.
Nice of you to join us. You show up for food.
In. I know.
So perfect.
Guess how many toes I had today?
How many?
Katie, Maddie, Emmy, and I.
What are you going to paint?
Katie, Maddie, Emmy, and I are on our way down to Newcastle to check out this red barn because Katie's getting married in March, probably March 25th. Not exactly sure on the date, neither is she. But we're looking for places for the reception. So we're going to go visit our first place. Super stoked. It's the Red Barn in Newcastle, Colorado. Should be pretty cool. Yay!
Yep. One's just gray.
Just making sure.
So.
You building a wall, Kobe?
What?
You building a wall?
Yeah, come on.
Aren't you freezing? I can't. I don't have shoes on. I am so cold.
We had planned this before a long time ago to kind of do something with these boulders, but we just didn't want to leave them in a pile. So that looks really bad, so got a couple more to move, but holy cow, these things are heavy.
They look heavy.
With two of us, all we can do to move them. Yeah.
Too cold to paint now?
Yes.
Probably. Did you finish?
Yes.
Suck.
Well, maybe
Thank God we have Katie who cannot go without food. So she feeds us all. What are you making?
Manicotti.
Super fancy.
That's how you say it.
Yep.
Oh, so close.
All right, so that's big enough. Do we just push it on down?
Yeah, into the shed or into the.
Yeah.
Pour that up. I think that way.
Yeah, let's see if it'll go that way. Oh, jeez. Ready?
Yeah, right? Yeah,
Did that get spot?
Dang. Can we just like burn that fort down?
I wish. Yeah, so we've been smelling a skunk for a while. So I bought a skunk trap and we tried to trap it, but we never caught it. And so one day we were kind of looking back underneath the deck, and I thought I saw something back under the deck. So I still thought that was the skunk, that I just happened to see him. We were thinking about, getting another trap to try to trap him. Our neighbor had said that he had used poison last year to try to kill a skunk, and so I don't know what happened, but apparently the skunk's dead under the deck. So now we got to fish out this dead skunk, because that's why it's been smelling so bad. So this is gonna be fun.
This skunk's been dead for like almost a year. I'll pull him out.
Hey, do you actually smell it? I don't smell a thing.
I don't know if that's a skunk.
That's a skunk.
Oh, yeah, that's a skunk.
You can see that.
Oh my gosh, that's awful.
That thing's been dead for a long time.
It actually doesn't smell that bad.
Why are you breaking all this out?
That looks disgusting.
Oh, it's a skunk. Woo!
So actually, now that we look at this thing and how old it looks like, I bet he did poison the skunk, and it came over to our house to die.
Yeah.
But why haven't we been smelling it until this year? We didn't smell it last winter
We've been smelling it.
or this spring. We basically have been smelling this for the last couple months.
That's not like it's nothing attacked
Here,
to
I'll
make
pull
it die
out.
either.
Hold on, I'm gonna try to put it in the bag.
Yeah, I'll pull
That's
it
a
out.
big skunk to go in that bag.
I'm gonna try to pick it up.
Oh, Daddy, that's not gonna be.
Put it in a
An
bag.
old snow shovel.
Man, this thing smells bad. I opened
Yeah.
one of these bags.
Oh, that is not.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, if those are maggots, even the maggots are dead. He is just skin. Hold on, I'm gonna have to get rid of the rocks. You're just gonna make him come into more pieces.
Holy crap!
Hold on, wait. Hold on. We got him in a piece.
Oh, what the?
There's
What
the
the
skunk.
crap?
Tarred. Oh, it stinks. Tarred and feathered. He's like hardened into like.
Yeah.
It's been dead for years.
This is like
Oh!
foot or something. Oh no, that's a stick.
There's still a bunch of hair.
It's been dead for years, Cardi. Mom's gonna edit this video and be like, ah! Oh, Eddie's right here.
Is there more?
Maybe.
Can you look up from the end of the deck, see if there's more of
I
them?
didn't see any. I only saw him.
I know from the end.
Eddie's down here.
Well, I would not like if there was more. That's gonna be bad.
Walk up there, walk it down there,
Going
walk
to the
down
dump.
there.
You go.
Put a dead skunk at the dump. That's for old trash, not dead animals.
Let's go put it in our neighbor's trash can.
Dump. Much easier though. Go
But now it's gonna smell.
sneak it over and we'll put it in walkers.
I need you. Move all these over there so they don't get caught.
That just happened.
Come on.
Where's the
Come on, carry him over
All
there.
that.
Outside the rooms.
I can see it in the air.
He needs mom's help.
Meanwhile, Mom
I need that. Very bad.
helped us clean our
Do we
room.
want this? No. Mommy, come look what I accidentally did.
Abracadabra,
Nobody told me
clean that
that
mess.
stinking thing can open up and drop all the dust that I picked up down.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's insane. Dump that in that trash bag. Don't dump it on the floor.
Look how beautiful it is.
Oh my gosh, Emmy.
It was
Do you want some eggnog? I have an idea for you. Some handy dandy eggnog.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wanna do it every time. Sit and listen. The situation, darling, all the best I ever had. Yeah, much better. Yeah, I know. That's gonna be really hard to
You see where it's still yellowish?
Yeah, do all right there too.
This is the worst job. And check it out. I stinking taste the powder. Because masks work, right? But
They definitely work.
it's cutting down on the amount of crap.
Science.
But
You might be choking on powder, but at least you're safe from COVID. What's Mom doing? Slacking. I got a text and I had to read my text. You look pretty. No, literally. You are
Hey, you guys helping? You helping? Yeah! Cardi, you doing math?
Look, this is homeschool math right here.
I don't know how to package this. Carter, you gotta come help carry stuff up. I can't. I'm doing math. Small and light. This is hard.
He's mentally taxing himself.
What? What's useless in your hand? Because you couldn't get it out. Ask Rowdy Cardi. You have to use the spatula. I had to open the bag. It's super hard. You get it all the way. Oh my gosh. Dad. Mom.
No, it looks good.
Dad. Dad, what's next?
You sure you can't tell?
I don't want anybody else in my room tearing the walls out because they're gonna destroy everything.
What the heck song is this?
Destroy what?
Because they're gonna,
Puddle.
my stuff's in there.
Kitchen is
I don't want you tearing this stuff apart and wrecking other things. So let me do this weekend.
Okay,
Let's get that basement.
start by taking this out.
Okay.
It's by Bryson Gray.
Playing songs by Bryson Gray from Spotify.
Alexa, play Mega Christmas. It's total chaos right now. Like I don't even know where to begin today. Yesterday, we cleaned out this room. This was a huge undertaking because it's the girls' closet. So they're keeping their snowboarding stuff, some clothes, a little bit of makeup, and that's it. Now, we did the ceiling yesterday afternoon. Katie and I think Maddie knocked that out for us. What's on the docket today, guys? What are we doing today?
Well, painting the rooms.
Okay. Are we done mudding this?
No, it's Dad's birthday.
I think that is. I think he just has to go and paint.
He's got a spray texture.
Dries fast.
Are you gonna go get that?
No, I haven't.
Oh, so you're gonna do that today? Okay, good. And then we can paint, and then we can get this kitchen knocked out.
We have to bring that to the storage unit. We have to bring that other big one to the storage unit.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't bring anything to the storage unit in the snow.
Why?
One they didn't plow over there yesterday, and I won't get it around our driveway, road and stuff too. It's just too dangerous.
Okay.
I'll break something, you know.
Oh my gosh! Get up! You're sitting.
Yeah, well, we're awake.
That's not. I didn't say wake up. I said get up. Happy birthday, Dally. Happy birthday.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the whole roof.
Happy birthday. All right, so stand up. We got lots of work to do. Come on.